Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today's video is an unboxing video. I actually got this in last week, and last week was just hectic and crazy, and I didn't get a chance to share this. I did, of course, unbox it and check it out, and there is a story that goes with this, but I will go ahead and do the unboxing first so that you don't have to just stare at me in the box. So my name is Melinda. If you're new to my channel, if you're coming back, welcome back. And if you like these kind of videos, I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button down below. And I know a lot of people hate unboxings, so if you are one of those, feel free to go watch something else. So let's get started. It is not black. If you follow me, you're going to be very surprised. It is not black. So let's get the ribbon off. And open it up. It's a big bag, big box, not a big bag. And I'm sure the dust bag gives it away. Let me get this out of the way here. And put that down. Okay, so it's not black. So let's do it. You ready? Look. Color. I got a color. I got the Capucines BB in the pink ombre print, and I am in love with this. I am absolutely thrilled to have found this. So the story behind this, I tried to order this quite a while ago, and excuse me, but I have really bad allergies. I have some tea. My throat is really, really dry. I always have bad allergies. Come to Tennessee if you want to sneeze a lot. But anyways, back to the bag. I tried to order this over a month ago, maybe a month and a half or so. I was told that it could not be shipped. There weren't any left. It was just gone. So when I was in Beverly Hills, they had one, and it was the floor model. It was a display, and I noticed it. We were leaving the store, and it was on a table as we were walking out, and I asked to see the bag, and it was gorgeous. There was a few little things wrong with it. It had a black spot on the back, and the inside of these are completely leather lined, and I will show you that in a moment. But there were already a lot of scratches inside of the bag. And I have a Capucines already. I have a black with the python handle, and mine still doesn't have any scratches inside. So it had been tried on with people's things in it a little bit roughly. They were able to get the spot off of the back, and they were going to figure out, if they could do something on the inside. They have a person there who does repairs on the spot, a lovely gentleman. I got to meet him, and the back of the bag looked absolutely perfect. So I was like, I want to think about this. It's a little bit different for me, as you know. I do a lot of black. And I asked if they would hold it for me overnight, and they said no. And they said they just couldn't because it was the only one in the store, and it was a special edition. And I was like, that's fine. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be, and it'll be here tomorrow. So we came back the next day. It was still there, and we weren't able to work with our regular sales associate. The first day, both of them were not there, the one that I normally use and the one that Linda uses. And the second day, the one that Linda usually uses, she was there, and I did get to finally see the one that I usually use, which is Pavlina, but she was in a meeting all day, so she was not able to assist me, but the lady that did was absolutely lovely, and she was looking through her system, and she said, there's two in the store. So she went looking for it and couldn't find it, and took her quite a while, but she did find it. I said, well, I'm going to go to lunch. I'm going to think about it. And so she held it for me. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did a post yesterday asking about the Montaigne BB. And I was debating this one and that one. And I probably don't need two pink bags. I have so much black, I'm kind of getting into color now. So most of you said it was not too pink, but I was debating between the two of them because if they only had the one that was the floor model and they couldn't get the scratches out. I mean, they're not going to discount the bag. And I was like, these are not inexpensive. So I was not going to purchase it if they couldn't, you know, fix it. But when we came back, they found the second bag and it was brand new, untouched. Nobody even knew that they had two. So it was absolutely perfect. So it was meant to be, so I got it. And for some reason, I'm still thinking about another pink bag. I don't know. I'm in a pink, I guess it's spring. I'm in a pink mood. Let me go over and show you the features of the bag. So as you can see, it goes from the light pink, which I think this is like the rose poudre color. And I forgot what the name of this was. Leven red or something like that. And I'm sure I am saying that wrong. The handle is even ombre. Hopefully that will show. Let me start here. So it's like starts with a light pink and then it gets to the hot pink and goes back to the pale pink, which is absolutely gorgeous. It has gold hardware. There is leather on both of the rings there, and then leather on the LV. And when you pull it, if you can close it either way, inside or out like this, and the outside is the light pink with a little gold flower. And of course it has my favorite thing, feet on a bag. I love feet on a bag. I also love an all leather lined bag. And yeah, I've just really gotten into liking all leather lined bags for some reason. But yes, this was still completely wrapped up. I still have not taken the strap out. The strap is long and crossbody. Take that out and look at that. Yeah, I haven't even looked at the strap. I've not pulled that out at all. But yeah, there's just the pink. It's the light pink color. And of course it has the gold hardware and it just has LV. Not sure if you'll be able to see that or not. Probably not, but it has LV right there. And nothing on the buckle. Some of the buckles will have Louis Vuitton on them. This one does not. But it's very soft and very comfortable, as I know from my black one being the same way. So the inside of the bag, let me pull out the tags. And here is the item number, and it is called Capucine BB Cloudy LDV. And the LDV was the, I've already forgotten what it was, the whatever that red name I tried to say before, but there is the item number should you be interested. And you know, there may be others left still. And it says outside cowhide leather, inside calf leather. So there is that tag. And then the booklet that came with it is Collection Extraordinaire. So there is that. And I haven't even looked through this either, so it just tells, yeah, just the leather care and what to do if it's an exotic, which it is not, because California is not allowed to sell exotics. But the inside of the bag is the red kind of color, like on the bottom. Hopefully that is showing because it's a lot darker inside. And then the little center part that separates the two compartments is in the light pink, and it says, that's not doing a good job of showing that at all. There we go. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And the back has a zippered compartment here. And it is also completely leather lined. And I just absolutely love my other Capucines. It's beautiful. And this was just so different for me. I got color. I have color. I'm very excited about it. So now I'm thinking of adding some more color, perhaps. I don't know. I'm debating on it. I know I don't need two pink bags. You probably will tell me down below you don't need two pink bags. And I tell myself that too. But we will see what happens. But yeah, I'm really, really excited about it. I'm not going to do a what's in my bag or mod shots because I've already done that with the Capucines, the black with the python. So I will insert a clip of that or the link to that, or however you do that. I do it different every time, but I will insert that in case you are interested in seeing how it fits and how it would be on my frame, and I am 5'6" for reference, which I'm sure I say in that video, but you can just fast forward to the parts that that interest you. But yeah, I'm very, very excited. I got a color. I got a color. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video with me and to share in my excitement. And yeah, I was reading somebody else's video. Somebody made a comment and they're like, if I see another black unboxing of a bag, I'm gonna scream. So, and she is somebody that comments on my videos a lot, so I'm not gonna say her name, but you don't have to scream, it's not black. So I'm very, very excited. And I feel like I'm at a point where I have so many classic black bags that it's okay to have some fun colors, even if I don't use them as much as my black. But yeah, it's time for some fun colors. Anyways, thank you again. I hope you have an amazing day today. Take care. Bye-bye.